So, good evening everyone.
Very good evening.
I am presenting here the one model which my team made, and I am the representative of this model. So we are going around only 5G. This all PPT will round only in 5G technology. So we will discuss about that. We are going to discuss here some points like who, from where we can collect data, and who will be the stakeholders, and how we can identify the problems, and how our model will work in further, and how the people will get benefit from this model. Okay, so let's start. So here we have one idea, which is speed test prediction. Why speed test prediction? Because we have lack of speed in rural areas. We are studying, and we are living in urban areas and suburb areas. We don't analyze that kind of problems, and we don't face. But in rural areas, they are facing everywhere, because we are here for learning the new technologies like AI, but they don't know about this technology. But in further, in future, we have to make them understand. If we will deploy any kind of model, they will also use that model. So they have to that kind of speed. So it is related to speed. That's why this, and purpose. Why purpose? What is the purpose of this? So we have identified weak signal areas and install 5G network towers and increase sales of the company. Like this PPT is all about the hypothetical situations. Here only data is real, but situations is only hypothetical. So in hypothetical situations, in based on this PPT, we can understand how any tower company or any operator which we are using like Jio, Idea, Airtel and many others, they will install their 5G technology, because we are using only 4G, and in rural areas they are not using 2G. So it is a very big difference between them and us. So what is in this PPT? Let's see. So this we have this data, and I collected this data from government data site, and this data belongs to 2018, year 2018, and we are just collected a sample of whole population data. We have huge numbers of data, as we can see, like here we have 7,28,000 of numbers of data. So we just going to simplify that data, and we will look what we can do on that. So like here our first question was identify a decision that required or would be enhanced by after data analysis. So what will be the parameters like network signal strength and weakness we can identify after analysis of this data, and we can identify sales of a particular operator, how much towers he has or the company has in India or all over world, we can say, and identify the need of people and provide accordingly. If someone has 4G technology in this time, but they need more like 5G technology, so if they will know where 5G technology will help them, then they will install the tower accordingly, and they will give that kind of service there. So next, primary, secondary and tertiary and service sector, we can say they will get benefited from it. These three terms are very important about our this presentation, because this presentation is going to be benefited from this all three service sectors. Like primary sector, what is primary sector? Primary sector, it means the agriculture sector, which is totally we can say in the rural areas. They cultivate the land, they grow the crops, and they feed us like farmers. The businessmen also do that thing, but farmers mostly farmers do. And in secondary sector, we can relate like that. If farmer will grow a potato, then potato will go into the company, and company will make the slices or chips of that potato. Then after that we can get benefit from that. So isn't it? We are eating that what it like the many. You can also know the pieces of the slices. And third sector is like Amazon and the Byju's. One of my friend introduced very well. So this all the two things is very much important. Like really you are thinking the the potato and the books and the things like the bag and laptop Amazon creates. No, my friends. They only provides us a service. But how it's done? Without any technology, without any network operator, they can sell us? No, na? No. It is the very important point for us. Today's topic was this. So, if we didn't get the network, how we can buy how we can know about the new technology and new products of any company? Without network, we cannot do anything. Without network, we cannot purchase anything. So, what is the situation? As we know, in our India, 100% population we can assume, and from there 60% population is reside in 60% population is in our rural areas, and from there 53% they reside in only in rural areas, and rest of the population they reside in suburb areas or the city areas. So we have 2-3 points here. Like we have many technologies like 4G, 3G, 2G, and upcoming 5G also. Some of they are using, and we are using also here Wi-Fi. And instead of having all these technologies in urban and town areas, they don't get proper network. It is very true thing, because they don't know about the real thing which is happening in this world. Like this center was created, before this center was created, they send mails or emails or advertising all the things, but many people they don't know about this project also. We are taking the benefit from here. They don't know, still they don't know, and we are getting benefit from here. Why? Because we come to know through the internet message or anything about it. It is a very important thing, network. And third is, nowadays we are all facing the same issues, that is network speed connectivity. We can easily connect with this point, and this data analysis will take a huge jump on providing proper service in both areas, suburb, towns, which is also come in the village, and city or urban area, which is the second area. The both area residers will take the benefit after this analysis. This analysis is very important, my friend. You will not do anything without internet. If anyone can tell me from here he will go and he spend all the day in bank and he will do one transaction. It doesn't matter it is 100 rupees transaction or 100 lakh rupees transaction. But if you have phone, you can do easily. Within 3 to 5 seconds, it is a network, friend. It is a network. It is the power of network. Yeah. So we have, like, if we don't get proper network here, so that is the person we can say. We can see this type of situation we also face. Oh my God, अरे भाई चल जा, like this. So it is a problem here. And third point is, what are the parameters or options in the decisions? It is a very good point. Who is analyzing the data? So we have some parameters here, like 7 lakhs. We have 7 lakhs count, but we summarize how we took total count 7,28,000, and after that we take mean. Mean, what is mean? The median, so the bottom level of bottom minimum and maximum. Between that, so mean is that our medium speed data speed in MB per second, and other thing is signal strength. So we have mean. Mean is 10,622. It is a median speed. We can say 10 GB per second. Where and signal strength is 86, and standard deviation we all know how to calculate. We can calculate after this. I will provide this slide to all you. You can easily analyze this. Okay. And mean is 0. Why 0? Because some areas has no internet connectivity, no technology. Even they don't get road. How they will get 5G phone? Simple, yeah. And 25% of our data, we can say 1 GB and 3 Mbps. Oh, 35 Mbps speed. And if we take the 50% of the data, and we get the 50% of speed there, 4 GB per second, and 70% of the data they get only the 10 GB speed, and maximum was in our India. It is data from our India, and they are taking the 131 GB. 131, it means very extreme, far from the zero. Some they are getting 18 GB, 131 GB per second, and some they are.
Get done with this. We move on to the next presentation.
Okay.
Really nice.
Okay.